What's up, guys? Just coming around here. I got a huge update. Tornado sirens are now going off. No, not clickbait. No clickbait. Maybe going. They were going off. Now they weren't on, but I guess they turned them off after like 5 minutes. No, after about 3 minutes. But tornado sirens were going off. Yeah.
Good job, Alan. Stay with it as you come south with these storms. Again, they are severe, and they're loud. So the tornado warning does continue as of right now for Cleveland and McLean County. It does include more. It would be a weak tornado. I'll just be honest with you. From everything I've seen so far, but we need to watch it.
Hey, Mom, I think we should get in the tornado shelter because there's a tornado and more. They said that there's a weak tornado and more. Okay. Like, down near Norman. So, I'm going to be monitoring this. I didn't think it was going to come to this.
It's right here. Okay.
In heyday.
Interstate 35, I-35, Indian Hills Road, down to Westheimer Airport, which is going to be on Rock Creek Road, down to Robinson. The area of spin is right here. It's in West Norman, right over West Norman. Let's turn velocity data on. Let's see what it looks like, Cassie. Right here. There you go. Okay. This whole area is a long, stretched out piece of rotation. Okay, let's go to shear rate. No, I'll tell you what.
I am happy I got in here.
Let's just take a look at it. Okay, not much there. Okay, good. Okay, good. Not much there with that.
Tornado warning.
See it for sure. Okay. All right, let's jump down the line. Anything else left? What's left down south, Cassie? Let's stay with shear rate. Well, that's fine. Get ready, Shawnee. Guys, let's do a storm track, too, while we're doing it.
Yeah.
Robin, if you want, let's do a storm track from Logan County. Follow this line, bring it all the way down. And, folks, this is going to be a damaging wind event. From Dibble, from Noble, Purcell, Wayne, Payne, Halls Valley, Wynnewood. Prepare for damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles an hour. 70 miles an hour.
Falls Creek.
Anytime you get a bow like that, you're going to have damaging winds along the bow. Okay? So that would be west of I-35 right now. Noble, Purcell, Wayne, Payne, Falls Valley, down to Falls Creek. But right in here, with a bowl.
It's getting loud.
Comes to an apex, or where it's right where, the top of it, right here. This is where your winds are going to be strongest, right in here. This zone in here. That's where the punch is. That's where the punch is. And that's where you get winds 70 miles an hour plus. Let's go to velocity data if you want, Cassie. Let's take a look. And, yeah, the radar, it's showing, 40, 50. I still think there's 60 to 70 down here. Okay. And, yeah, there you go.
I'm going to go into my room. I have to call my grandmother. There will be a part 2.